Hi, second graders. It's Miss Tippins here, and I heard that you are learning a new skill, which is how to solve word problems using place value discs. Well, the good news is I think this is going to be pretty simple, but the bad news is that judging by this word problem, Miss Tippins has a lot of laundry to do. So, if you're in my class or if you know me, well, I can be a little bit dramatic, but when it comes to laundry, I just hate doing it. So I'm going to read this word problem out loud. We're going to look for some important information, and then I'm going to show you how to solve it using place value discs. All right, don't judge me when I read this word problem. It says, Miss Tippins has 145 pieces of laundry that she needs to fold and put away. Last night, she was able to fold and put away 23 pieces of laundry. Not too bad. How many more pieces does she need to do tonight? I don't even like to think about what more laundry I have to do tonight, but I guess I better get a good start. So you know what? Judging by this word problem, knowing that I'm starting with 145 pieces of laundry, and also knowing that I've already folded and put it away 23 pieces, I think this calls for a subtraction problem. So we're going to go to our good friend Braining Camp, and you're going to be really surprised to see that they actually have a place value discs tool. Let's check it out together. Here's our Braining Camp website. You see down here, place value discs. So the first thing I'm going to do is write my equation so I don't forget any important pieces of information. 145 minus 23 equals blank. Whew. Whatever number goes here, that's how much laundry I have to do tonight. So the best part about subtraction, in my opinion, is that you only have to represent the starting number. Thank goodness. So our starting number is going to be 145. So using my place value discs, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to represent the ones place. Well, here's my starting number, 145. I notice that there's a 5 in the ones place. That seems easy enough. Let me look at my discs. A million, definitely not. 100,000, no way. 10,000, 1,000, 110. 1, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, boys and girls, when it comes to Braining Camp, we have to be extra careful about how we organize our work. So now that our work is over here, pay close attention that what we put on the screen matches what we're thinking. Okay, next I notice that there is a 4 in the tens place. A 4 in a tens place, I know that's the same as saying 40. So let me look. Okay, I think I need 4 of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know what? Miss Tippins is a stickler for organized work. We're going to put these up over here. I don't want to get confused. Next up, I see that we have 100. 100,000, 1,000, 100. There we go. I just need one of these green discs. Boom. See what I mean about Braining Camp? Pay close attention where those discs go. Where those discs go. So I'm going to put that over here. All right. This number is 145. Now we're ready for the fun part. We're ready to subtract. I'm going to start with my ones place. 23. What number is in the ones place? Oh, the number 3. Here's my pen tool. I'm going to cross out 3 ones, and you can count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, all done there. Next, let's look at our tens place. I have 2 10s in the number 23. Okay, I got to pay close attention that I'm only crossing out my 10s. I see these purple guys have 10 written on them, so I think I'm in the right spot. 1, 2. Do I have a number in the hundreds place? Nope. I guess I'm good. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is count to see how much I have left over. I have 1 100, 2 10s, and 1 2 2 1s. Oh my goodness! Does that mean I have to do 122 pieces of laundry tonight? Folding and putting away? Well, which one of you guys are going to come over and help me out? That is too much laundry. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to give our work an A. A plus plus. Now, in a minute, your teacher is going to read another word problem for you, and you're going to have to solve it using the same strategy. Go to Braining Camp, find the place value discs, and you are good to go. Make me proud.